Got here today is Hampton Bay Gratin 2. Actually, I think it's a Gratin 3. But it's a Gratin something. I'll go ahead and put it on medium. It is on low currently. The light is burnt out, so I won't bother pulling that. Slip down. I see it running nice and smooth. Well, not very smooth. You may notice that it does have a bent blade. I don't know what happened to it. It probably got hit by something. Or someone. I'll go ahead and turn it on like high now. We're getting high in here. Honestly, high goes around maybe 120 RPM, so roughly. It does have a slight wobble to it, that's just because the blade is... But it would be wobbling worse if it was down or up. My phone's probably not going to pick it up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and more videos to come after this.